Hey everybody, this is Matthew from Bourbon RV Center. Wasn't an intentional match between me and this Stratus, just ended up being that way. But the Cardinals are in the playoffs, so this is a good one to show. I wore my Cardinal red and you can camp in yours. So I want to show you a little bit about this Venture Stratus. This is really a nice designed, well-built coach. It is all a truly laminated, styrofoam, aircraft aluminum, full 4-season heated and sealed underbelly trailer. We'll walk around, show you some of the features on the inside. Dual propane tanks, power front tongue jack to make your camping easier. Does have a built-in factory power battery disconnect switch, so when you're storing it, you don't have any of the issues the next time you go to use it that your battery's dead. Just a nice convenient thing to have. Saves you money, saves you aggravation. Two things you don't need when you're camping is spending extra money and having any aggravation. Trying to get away from that. Big long power awning, large grab handle, the new solid step, which was one of the best camping inventions they've had in a long time. It's a nice solid step, it's easy to use. It is adjustable in case the ground underneath is uneven. Does have a full ladder, and this has a 250-pound storage rack which folds down. You can keep your bikes, your generators, all the toys that you want to bring along with you. Maybe some muddy things you don't want to throw in the back of your truck. Just really a nice feature. Fold away ladder, so when you have something down here and you're storing your bikes and that, the bikes and everything are out of the way. Is also prepped for a wireless backup camera. Another nice feature. They use a wide stance axle, which makes the trailer balanced and easy to tow. So the wider the stance, the less pin weight that you have to deal with, and the more stability you have when you're pulling this trailer down the road. This is an easy half-ton or small SUV towable trailer. Has really a nice modern look on the inside. It does have a walk-around queen bed and extremely large amount of counter space for a small trailer. The nice bright lighter cabinetry in it, even without this trailer plugged in, it has an extremely good feel to it. Nice large bathroom in the back. You get your glassed-in atrium style bathroom, and then next to it you're going to have an extremely large coat closet. This is really a great couples floor plan. You can entertain friends and grandkids with this big horseshoe-shaped dinette. This sleeping area does turn into a sleeping area that's over 6'2". You get a big, large double-door refrigerator. It is an 8 cubic foot refrigerator that goes all the way to the floor. Some manufacturers will put a refrigerator in their unit, but you'll notice there's a big filler panel underneath because they try to use the smallest stuff in the industry instead of the largest. Big skylight. There's a lot of light in this coach already, even without opening up the skylights that are in it. Walk around queen bed. Big, large shirt closets on each side. It does have plug-ins for your cell phones, for your laptops, and a nice storage area in the back for CPAP machines or for your alarm clock, or to keep your telephone or your laptop when you get ready to go to bed. A couple of nice little bar stools that come with this particular unit, so you want to get up, watch some TV, or if you need more sitting area than what's provided, you have 2 good bar stools. Not only have a refreshing drink, but sit down, have some toast, a bowl of cereal in the morning. It's just a nice, easy, convenient way to camp. Again, we're proud to be a Venture RV dealer. They're a subsidiary of KZRV. They make a nice, young, family-friendly coach, and this particular floor plan is a great couples trailer. Just easy to tow, easy to pull. It doesn't have to be red. It comes in polar white, comes in an Arctic gray, and also comes in a red, also comes in a dark blue. So there's a lot of options to choose from. Come to Bourbon RV. I'm sure we'll have a trailer or a Stratus that fits your needs. 573-732-5100. Again, my name's Matthew, bourbonrv.com. Drive a short distance, save some money, guys. Come see what a good family-friendly dealership is about. We have big city inventory, but not the big city hassles that you have to deal with some of the larger manufacturers. We're definitely here to help and would love to help. My name is Matthew. Thanks.